Okay, the recording has started. Okay, this is going to be banked turn. A bank turn. Doing a bank turn. Here's how you do it, okay? And it's not easy, okay? Compared to a lot of things, a bank turn is not simple at all. And it's one of the first things you do in radio control model planes. So here we go, and I'm going to call it out as I do it, okay? It's a combination of things. It's an elevator, it's aileron, and it's elevator. You have to do them both, or you're going to dive into the ground and crash. That's just the way it goes. Okay. 3/4 throttle. Thing should take off. Get that there. Okay, now here we go. Bank turn. Up, 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 up. I'm giving it up over and over. You could just do it constantly, but I did it over and over. Okay. There we go. We're going to start off again. Okay. Let's do that one more time. Up, 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 up. Left. Aileron. Up, 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 up. See it start to dive. Up, 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 up. Now level the wings. Okay. That's a whole nother thing right there. Leveling the wings. Okay. Leveling the wings. You've got to level the wings constantly. When you're not doing something, you're leveling the wings. Okay, now there's another thing, it's called reverse thinking. Okay, it's really critically important. How much time? I got 1 minute. Okay, as soon as you come out of that turn, you've got to reverse your brain. Okay, right now I'm thinking I'm in the plane, right is right, left is left. But as soon as the plane starts coming towards me, that reverses. Watch this. Okay. Right is right, left is left. I'm going to give it left, up, 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 up. Now things are going to reverse right here. Reversed. Now, when I said reversed, what happened was I had to reverse my brain. You don't have to, but it's much easier than keeping your brain in the plane. There's a trick. I don't know if it's a trick, but what you do is, up you go, you're going to turn, okay, left, then up, 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 up. Move the stick, when your brain reverses, move the stick towards the wing that's down. I just did that, okay. You get used to that. Now, left is left, right is right, okay, but when I turn, bank, up, 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 up. Now move the stick towards the wing that is down. That's what I'm doing. Okay, there we go. Level the wings, level the wings, level the wings, over and over, level the wings. Now, left is left, up, 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 up. I'm just bouncing on it. Now you want to move the stick towards the wing that was down. Whenever the plane's coming towards you, move the wing, move the stick towards the wing that is down. It's a reverse brain type of thing, okay? And whenever you turn, the plane's going to dive, so you have to give it up. Up, 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 up. Move the stick towards the wing that is down, okay? That's what you do. That's the way it goes. It's 3 minutes. That's not a bad video. Okay. We'll do that one more time. I use 3/4 throttle. Up it goes. I'm going to make a left turn. So I go left. Then I go up, 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 up. Now my brain reverses right here. And now I move the stick towards the wing that is down. Okay? And level the wings. Level the wings. Up. Up, 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 up. Turn to the right. Up, 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 turn to the right, up, turn, up, 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 up. Move the stick towards the wing that is down, okay? That's what you do, okay? That's how you do it. Very good. One more time. There's other ways to make turns, but the bank turn is most common. Up, 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 but keep it from diving. Up, up, up. Move the stick towards the wing that is down. You get used to that after a while. It took me a long time, but once I got used to it, it made this hobby a whole lot more fun. It made flying, whether on a simulator or in real life, it makes it more fun. It makes it a lot more fun. You get used to that after a while, moving that stick. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this off now. It's 5 minutes. That's the way you do it. Give it a try.